Hi guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to start the Linux tutorial series. In this series we will going to learn all the Linux basics, all the commands of Linux. So this is going to be a very fun. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button if you enjoying this video. So let's start. The first thing that you need is to start your terminal, and you can start your terminal using this terminal option or using the shortcut key for the terminal. So the shortcut key for the terminal is Control Alt and T. So you can see that I have started a new terminal by using that shortcut key. You can also start terminal from the search button by typing terminal. And now you can see that I have opened so many terminals. So now I will exit with the exit command. So you can see that by typing exit the terminal got exited. So let's now work on to some simple Linux commands. So you can see that this Khushi user is on its root directory. So now if you want to see that how we can check which items are there in the directory, so you have to just give a command that is ls. This will show you all the items present in that particular directory. This is the basics of Linux. You can relate these items with the terminal of items, so you can see that these are the same. And now if you wanna go into some particular folder, then what you will do? So for this there is a command named as cd means change directory. This will change your directory to the particular folder that you have given as an input. Cd stands for change directory. By using this you can also change the directory. So let us see a practical demo of it. So now I will clear this change directory and I'll type cd and the name of the folder, and that is desktop. Once I type desktop and hit the enter button, you can see that I am on my desktop. You can see in this at ZSH terminal, this is showing that I am in desktop. So once I click on ls means list items. This will show all the items available in this folder. So this means list item. You can see that there is only a apk file, and these all things that you are seeing, backup disk and all the stuffs, are only icons, only widgets. So it is not showing in the list items command. So another command is called directory dir, and this will also show you the items and the directories available in that particular folder. So this is also showing only whatsapp.apk, because other thing that home and file systems and all the stuffs are only widgets. So we'll not going to talk about this. So now we'll talk about that how we can create a particular folder into any other folder. So we'll now just give a command named as mkdir, and this command will create a folder into your directory. So now you have to just type mkdir and next the folder name. At the place of folder name you can type your own folder name like mkdir subscribe. This will create a folder named as subscribe. So here how you can create the folders onto your desktop using terminal. And now we'll head to remove a particular folder. So we'll just type a command rm and next the folder name. Once you have typed this, hit the enter. Oh, this command only work on a file. This is a directory, so we have to give it a parameter, and that is -r, and this will remove the folder because this is a directory. So we have to give some permissions to remove this directory, and now you can see that this directory is now removed. Let's remove this one also, and now you can see that this is also removed. That's it for today, guys. We'll meet again in a new part of Linux tutorial and see other commands. So bye bye.